Motorcades and Coffee. I'm on my day 3. I gotta head to the Cross Island Ferry in Long Island. I'm gonna head to Connecticut and get on our way. So gonna head on the bike and go. I did all my prep. I'm missing some mounts from my phone and GoPros, but hopefully this works. So let's get on our way. A little bit better day out today. Not so rainy. A little bit of sun. Kind of cool. All my gear is prepped. Checked all the stuff on my bike. Let's go. Alright, yeah, I still got a little bit of range, 50 miles or so. By the way, it is cold in the morning. And it's 8:57, so we gotta go right to the ferry. The plan for today is to head a light ride to Concord, New Hampshire, and then figure out the plan from there. So that's 53 miles, but I kind of wanted to go off-road and stuff, so this should be my first off-road. About an hour and 43 minutes, it says. I think it's off-road, at least it's back road, so we'll see. Oh look, there's the ocean. Oh wow, pretty. See quite a few cars, lane 2, a couple of bikes. I'm gonna load up here in a bit. Cool. Alright, I think I went with this real GoPro battery instead of a knockoff, and we'll see if that makes a big difference. I hope it does. Alright, everything's ready to go. I brought my strap. They're not joking around, they're getting people going, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, it's beautiful out. Lighthouses. Whoa, there's a little beach there. Yeah, that's cool. Got hill hold. Totally love hill hold. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, okay. Where are they, all the way to the right? Okay, I see him, yep, thanks. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna trust y'all. We'll see how it goes. Alright, I tied down just so it won't get up. It's in gear. It ain't going anywhere. Alright. Cool. Some bikes up there. Heading on up to the cafeteria. Wow. Woo. Federal regulations require us to inform you as to the location of life jackets. Life jackets with posted instructions. I'm on the Cape Henlopen, the ferry. Got a bacon, egg, and cheese, coffee, and this is a former LST 510 ship. See the invasion of Normandy at Omaha Beach. I want to go check out a museum that they have. Look at that, lighthouse. Whew. Cool. I guess we can't go up. They said this is the base of where subs are made. It's a sub base right there. These submarines in London, Connecticut. These two dudes are pretty cool in front of me on some Harley baggers. Everyone comes talk to me about the outfit I'm wearing and the bike I got. Dude, this bike is a conversation starter for sure. More than almost any other bike I've ever had. Pretty cool. All right.
Alright, going on off. Make this fun. I'm at Best Buy. I just stopped here, dropped $161. I did not know that GoPro 8 and 9 batteries did not work with a 7 battery. That's what's been causing my problem. So I bought 7 batteries. However, it wasn't just the batteries. They didn't have those. They had to get the dual chargers. So I had to drop 49 bucks a piece for 2 dual chargers. Ugh. I lost this part mount for my phone. So I had to buy a whole new contraption just to get this mount because I didn't have one. So I'm going to use my GoPro 8 there. We'll see how that works. And in the meantime, I'm doing something a little different. I loaded my route to, in the Harley app. So I am going to use the Harley app to get there. Let's see how that works. And there's my directions in there. Alright, just a quick update. 49.53 miles to go to George Washington Park. I'm in my Harley app, but it's not coming through. That's weird. Okay, so I have a warning light on my Harley-Davidson. It was going off and on ever since my service yesterday, and it was mostly off, so I wasn't too worried about it, but it's staying on. So I'm gonna get them to go look at it and see what we can do. Also see if they can figure out what's going on with this charging port. Oh brother, about 18 miles to go. What an adventure. The Harley dealer, the Harley dealer. Hey look, I'm at Rhode Island right now. Alright, where am I talking? Here? Okay. I'm at Ocean State Harley-Davidson in Warwick, Rhode Island. Third Harley-Davidson dealer in 2 days. They're checking out my check engine light. I just want to be safe than sorry. It was on for 50 miles and then it turned off. Bike's running fine and it starts right up, but yeah. So let's get a little look-see-loo of all the stuff they got here and get a look at the dealership. So Ryan's helping me out and John's going to be looking at my bike. Alright, so we got our Serial 1 bikes there. Really cool looking histories. Oh yeah, all sorts of cool parts. Offices. Bikes. Parts. Oh, they got clothing and bikes. Hey, look at those. Oh, wow. I wish I had those adventure clothes. Those are cool. There's the bikes. Ooh. Live wire, they got them all. Alright, so they fixed my bike. A couple issues which we'll talk about. Talked to John was the master mechanic. Ryan was the service advisor there, bringing it out. I'm gonna speak. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you so much, my friend.
No problem, man. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Be safe.
Let me tell you what was going on with the bike and what we did, what he did. My charging port broke. I don't know if it was the last dealer, unfortunately, but it's not charging. It won't software update. The screen itself, the display screen, is out of date, and it won't update. You can't stick a thumb drive in there, a USB-C. That's the least of my worries. But there were some modules and software updates that were too out of date, and he installed that on the computer itself for the bike and the chassis. So we got that squared away, and I feel much more confident. So I'm going to head on the road and see if I can make up some time, and let's go northbound. Hey, I love these back roads. They're so nice. Just so much fun to be on. A little bit. Nice back road. Right. Guess I'm getting here right about at the right time. This place is right at the water. I think it's campsite 27B, so I'll take a look-see. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Wow, look at that. I think I go to the right here. Yeah, I'm going to the right. Going down a little hill. Fun. Oh, wow. The lake, it is beautiful here. Wow. See if we can find that campsite. Woohoo! Oh, that's primo. Alright, well, let's see what we got. This is my campsite for the night. Right by the water. Holy moly. Cool. Oh, there's my family there. Alright. Let's go set up a camp, shall we? Get comfy. I think that's my hammock spot right there. Looking good. Nice. Here's my campsite for the night. There's my bike. I got some firewood. I'm going to do a fire. I'm going to go grab a little bite to eat and then make a fire and be on my way. Okay, I'm going to head down by the lake here. See if I can get some drone footage. It's really pretty. Sun's going down and I want to get some footage before I can. Got my drone. Oh, what a day. Let's go fly a drone. Katie's Tavern. I got a pastrami sandwich and a PBR and a big ice cold water. It's a biker bar. Hey man, might as well, right? Next time on Northbound. What do we got here? Wow.